Hi, I'm Jim Loree, CEO of Stanley Black Decker, and I have an important message for you today. We are in the midst of a staggering global skills gap. There are 3 million job openings in skilled trades in the US alone and 10 million unfilled manufacturing jobs globally. And the pandemic has exacerbated this problem, with millions of workers displaced since early 2020. This skills gap didn't happen overnight. Over the last few years, trades have been overshadowed despite the excellent, well-paying jobs and career paths they offer. To support this problem, I'm proud to announce that Stanley Black Decker is committing up to $25 million to train skilled trade workers over the next 5 years. Beginning October 1st, nonprofits around the globe can apply for grants as part of our new Empower Makers Global Impact Challenge. Our goal is to recognize and advance those organizations that are working to create the skilled workers and tradespeople of the future that our society needs. For the workers who were displaced by the pandemic, especially women, people of color, and veterans, we want to encourage them to trade up to a career in the trades. At Stanley Black Decker, our purpose is for those who make the world. We're for the builders and the craftsmen, those out doing the hard work to create the world around us and build a better future for themselves, their families, and their communities. In 2017, we made a pledge to empower 10 million makers by the year 2030, an ambitious goal in our broader corporate social responsibility strategy. This impact challenge is a major step in advancing that goal forward, and we see this opportunity as a way to train 3 million skilled workers in the next few years. Together, we can help close the skills gap